Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss trigonometry. So, as you know, trigonometry is an important part of mathematics. Okay? As you see in your coming years. So, we are going to know about ratio of trigonometry. So, let's see on the board what's written. We are going to draw a right angle triangle. Notice carefully, we are going to draw right angle triangle ABC. Ratio of trigonometry means we have to know about trigonometric function in ratio term, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. We put here theta. The side opposite theta is called opposite side. The side opposite theta is called opposite side. It means here theta, angle ACB is theta. Then opposite theta side AB is called opposite side. And this one is adjacent side. So AC, what's AC? AC is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. But there is confusion among the students. What is opposite side and what is adjacent side? So focus here. As example, you are sitting opposite me. It means you are opposite side, and the person who was sitting beside me, it's a beside, adjacent side. Got it? It means this is opposite side and this one is adjacent side. If we put theta here, it means opposite side becomes BC. BC will be the opposite side, and this one becomes adjacent side. But one thing is, remember, hypotenuse doesn't change. So what is sin theta? Sin theta is opposite upon hypo. Opposite upon hypo. Just a minute. If we draw again right angle ABC and we put theta here, then what is opposite? AB is opposite. It means AB. And what is hypotenuse? Hypotenuse side is AC. Is hypo. Then AC. Now we talk about cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypo. Adjacent upon hypo. What is adjacent side? For angle C, adjacent side becomes BC. It means BC upon AC. Got it? Now we talk about tan theta. Tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. It means opposite upon adjacent. What is opposite side? AB. AB is opposite side and BC is adjacent side. It's for angle C. If we talk about angle A, if we talk sin A, if we talk about angle A, then its opposite side becomes BC. It means BC. And what is hypotenuse side? It is AC. BC upon AC. Similarly, if we talk about cos theta is, it means cos A. Cos A becomes adjacent upon hypo. It means this side is opposite side. Then what is opposite? What is adjacent side? Adjacent side becomes AB. AB and hypo becomes similar. AC is the common side, that is hypotenuse. Whether it is angle C, whether it is angle A, hypotenuse will be remain same. Got it? Now tan A. Tan A. Tan A opposite upon adjacent. Tan A, which one is opposite side? BC is opposite side. So we write here BC. And what is adjacent side? AB is adjacent side. Got it? So now the question is how to remember all these terms. I am going to give you a magic word, that is osa chota. Okay? It's a magic word, osa chota. So now focus here. Sin theta, we put a mark above S. Now cos theta, we put a mark above C. And now tan theta, we put a mark above T. Here sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. Sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. O for opposite, S for hypotenuse. Now cos theta. Cos theta, C for cos theta. Cos theta adjacent upon hypotenuse. We move clockwise. Adjacent upon hypotenuse. Now tan theta, T for tan theta, opposite upon adjacent. Through this word we can remember all these terms easily. What is osa chota? Remember this word osa chota. S for sin, C for cos, T for tan. Now one thing is, remember, if we talk about cosec theta, then you should know that cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. It means 1 upon sin theta. If sin theta opposite upon hypo, then cosec theta becomes hypo upon opposite. Hypo upon opposite. It means here sin theta is angle C. Sin theta is angle C. So hypo AC upon AB. In the same way, tan theta is reciprocal. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta, and cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. It means BC upon AB. Similarly, if we talk about cos theta, yani sec theta, so sec theta upon is 1 upon cos theta. It means what? AC upon BC. Sin theta reciprocal of cosec theta, cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, and sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So through osa chota we can remember all these terms easily. And your 10th board, it's a very important part for all of you. In the next video we will discuss how to remember beside this all trigonometry function, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Bye-bye.